Welcome to today's lecture. Every production begins with detailed planning and storyboards and color palettes. They are role maps. But before we need to know about using color in filmmaking. So the color is the aspect of things that is caused by different qualities of light being reflected or emitted by them. To see color, you have to have light. When light shines on an object, some colors bounce off the object and others are absorbed by it. Our eyes only see the colors that are bounced off or reflected. When molecules are subjected to white light, which is component of 7 colors, they absorb certain portions of it according to its electronic structure and reflect the rest of it. And the molecules appear to our eyes colored in the colors it reflects: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, or mixtures of these colors. Color is both a powerful artistic and storytelling tool and complex technical aspect. The better you understand the technical side, the better equipped you will be to use it to serve your creative purposes. It's important to never lose sight of the fact that it all comes down to human perception, the eye-brain combination, and how it interprets the light waves that come in is the basic of everything we do in this area. So the color helps to convey emotions, set the tone, and enhance storytelling. Understanding the psychology of color allows filmmakers to influence how audiences perceive and connect with the narrative on a deeper level. We will cover in next slides. Emotional impact, symbolism and themes, mood and atmosphere, color contrast and harmony, cultural significance, psychological effects. So emotional impact. Colors evoke specific emotions, subtly guiding the audience feeling. For example, red often symbolizes passion, danger, or anger, while blue can evoke calmness, sadness, or detachment. Directors and cinematographers carefully select color palettes to align with the emotional undertones of a scene or character. Symbolism and themes. Colors are frequently used to symbolize themes or character traits. For instance, green may represent nature, envy, or rebirth, while yellow can suggest happiness, caution, or decay. These symbolic uses of color help reinforce the narrative and add layers of meaning to the visual storytelling. Mood and atmosphere. The overall color scheme of a film can create a distinct mood. A warm color palette with hues like orange, yellow, and red can create a cozy, nostalgic, or tense atmosphere. In contrast, a cool palette with blues, purple, or greens can evoke feelings of melancholy, isolation, and tranquility. Color contrast and harmony. The use of contrasting colors can draw attention to key elements or create visual tension. Complementary colors such as blue and orange can make certain aspects of a scene pop up. While analogous colors, those close to each other on the color wheel, can create a harmonious, cohesive look. And about cultural significance. Colors can carry different meanings across cultures, which filmmakers must consider when aiming for a global audience. For example, white is often associated with purity and innocence in Western cultures, but can symbolize mourning in some Eastern cultures. Psychological effects. Beyond evoking emotions, colors can have psychological effects on the audience. For example, red can increase heart rate and create a sense of urgency, while blue can slow down the perception of time and promote relaxation. In cinematography, these psychological aspects of color are often enhanced through techniques such as color grading, where post-production adjustments can intensify or mute colors to achieve the desired effect. Some colors carry two well-known associations, often referred to as cliché, which filmmakers either embraced or subvert to communicate specific messages. Red is a prime example. It's a color deeply associated with both love and death, making it a powerful but complex tool in visual storytelling. The color's connection to the heart, blood, and life. And paradoxically, red is also tied to danger. And paradoxically, red is also tied to danger, violence, and death. The association with blood and injury gives red its dual meaning. This duality makes red a good tool in conveying the complexities of human experience, where love and death are often intertwined. By carefully crafting the color palette of a film, cinematographers can significantly influence how the audience interprets and feels about the story being told. So now please pay attention to the recap questions because they will help reinforce your understanding of the key concept we've covered. Take the time to review and think critically about the material.